welcome back to Rituals. Okay, so in today's video, we're gonna be discussing the BMW M Performance floor mats. Okay, I got these a few months ago, never got around to doing a review on them. So I've been using them for the past like 90 days, 3 months or whatever. So I figured I'd do a review. Before I do, need you guys to do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This channel, Rituals, is about car content, hence the BlackEagle M2, sneaker reviews, and money tips, hence the title Rituals, which stands for Daily Practice of Building Wealth. Once again, Ritual stands for Daily Practice of Building Wealth. So if you're into those 3 topics, this is the channel for you. So with that being said, hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell so you'll be in a loop when I post videos based off one of those 3 areas. So with that being said, let's get into today's video, which is about the BMW M Performance floor mats. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys a quick video, a little snippet of when I first got them, so you can see how beautiful they look, how clean. Like I said, I've been using them. I've cleaned them a couple times since I've had these floor mats, but I'll tell you, they are hard to keep clean. Very beautiful, but very hard to keep clean. When I clean them, I try to use like basically like soap and water. I think I'm gonna have to get a brush though to actually scrub them, but I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. As you can see, these are the floor mats. Yeah, like I said, they're hard to keep clean. They don't look too bad though. I mean, you know, normal wear. It gets really dirty out here in Arizona. I mean, man, anybody ever been to Arizona, you know, you walk outside and the bottom of your sneakers are just dark black. I don't know. This is like one of the places where in the world where it is not sneaker friendly or anything friendly as far as like mats and things like that. It just naturally gets dirty out here on the ground. So yeah, anybody that's been to Arizona or from Arizona, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, overall, I really like the aesthetic look of the floor mats. That's the passenger side. You see the M Performance on the side there. You see the streaks. It's a black and like metallic silver color. Very dope color because it matches pretty much the interior of the car. See the silver. The carbon fiber, the dry carbon fiber. Right there, you see the silver accents around the steering wheel, the gear shifter, all that. So yeah, it matches the interior very well. You see the silver brake, foot pedal, where you rest your foot over here with the M label. That was extra, by the way. Those are add-ons, modifications. But yeah, you got your M Performance on the mats. Now, I did not get the back seat floor mats because hardly anybody goes back there, and I just thought it would be pretty much a waste of money. So I mostly just focus on the 2 front areas because those are the most common areas that are used in my car, especially the driver's side. So yeah, you see the M, yeah. Man, love this car. This is my 2018 BMW M2. For those who are new to the channel, I call him BlackEagle. He also has an Instagram page, and he just got over 1,000 followers. Kudos to you, BlackEagle. The Instagram handle is at M2_BlackEagle. For those who want to see car photos and videos, little snippets behind the scenes of these YouTube videos I'm doing. Also, this video will be posted on Facebook. We now have a Facebook page for car content, and it also is M2 BlackEagle. The only difference is there's no underscore. So the Facebook page is M2 BlackEagle. And if you're watching this on Facebook, go ahead and give this video a like. Trying to get those likes up. Just like on YouTube here, we've been growing on the subscriber count, and I really appreciate you guys. So if you're watching this for the first time or you're not subscribed to the channel, once again, please hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell. Also, give this video a like. That helps the YouTube algorithm, and it helps the videos get seen. I'm going to be doing some future videos with the car. I'm going to be doing some more driving. I'm part of a BMW club out here in Arizona, a couple to be honest. And I've been kind of waiting for this COVID thing to kind of chill a little bit. But they've been doing, lately they got a planned rally where you don't have to get out your car or do too much interaction. So I'm thinking about doing that, taking the GoPro out and just do some driving scenes for you guys. I know you guys, my car enthusiasts, are into that. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Got a lot of things coming up for the channel. So like I said, today's video is focused on the BMW M Performance floor mats. My review of those, I really like them. Oh yeah, let me show you guys the back seat, the original ones, okay? All right, so these right here, like I said before, I didn't buy the back seat version of the M Performance because, like I said, no one's ever really back here. So yeah, I just pretty much kept those. Now, the other floor mats that I had, oh yeah, also on IG, go give my page a follow at Richuals, just like it's spelled here. Go do that. Got some good money tips on that IG. Anyway, here are the original floor mats. Put some of this stuff over here. Oh yeah, shouts out to BMW Arrowhead. That is where I actually got my floor mats from, for those who are interested. But if you're not near a BMW dealership or you don't have one as great as mine, then go ahead and hit that link in the description below for the M Performance floor mats. I gotta get these off. This is from that microfiber towel over here. As you see, I got my cleaning supplies. But these are the original floor mats. For those that are wondering, people that have M2s already know what these look like. But yeah, one of the reasons why I switched is because these floor mats are awesome. They're cool. But the issue is, you see this right here, this little divot area? That's from when you're driving, and particularly the right foot. So those who know my channel know I love my sneakers. So what that does is when you're driving, that little piece that's digging into the shoe, it creates black spots on the back right side of your shoe, like at an angle. And for my fellow sneakerheads, you know that is a pain in the ass. It's also hard to clean. It's also hard to get off your shoe. So over the course of time, it kind of, I wouldn't say destroy your shoes, but it makes it extremely hard to clean your shoes and get that off your shoe. So that's one reason why I went to the performance mats. I did a little research. Haven't really had that problem. Like I said, the only problem I have with the new mats now is that they're harder to keep clean. It takes a little effort, a lot of elbow grease. I got some, one of the people that hit me up on IG the other day on BlackEagle's page, they gave me some recommendations of some cleaning products. So I'm gonna try to implement that. I'm gonna try those products out. And if they work, I'll make a little video and then I'll show you guys what products I used to clean it. But I'll buy the product first. I'll utilize it, see if it works to my liking. And then I'll let you guys know my thoughts on those. But yeah, but overall, I love the look of the floor mats. I love the fact that it's not destroying my shoes anymore. Pretty good product. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description below if you would like to get you a set of M Performance floor mats for your car. They're not just for the M2. You can get them for different BMWs. M2, M3, M4, M5. But like I said, M6, M8. I'll leave the description below so you guys can purchase your own. It is an Amazon affiliate link, just to let you guys know. You help me out when you purchase through the link. So just a little disclaimer. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit that subscribe button. Once again, the channel is about car content, sneaker reviews, and money tips. So if you're into those three things, this is the channel for you. Also, while we're here, we're doing a little advertisements. There's no ads on the channel. So I greatly appreciate you guys when you allow me to plug some of my business ventures. One of them is Rich by Rick Ross hair products and beard oil. So I'm in partnership with Rich by Rick Ross, which the owner is the rapper Rick Ross. We do men's grooming products, hair products, beard products, body wash, shampoos. I'll show you some of the guys' images. You can get this stuff from Sally's, as well as Walgreens, But if you don't feel like traveling, don't feel like going to the store, I got a link in the description below so you can browse the website. Very cool website, got all the products. You can order you some today. All orders over $49, there's free shipping. I believe for Amazon Prime users right now, there's free shipping. Don't quote me on that, but go to the website, it'll tell you. The website gets updated all day, every day. But I do know all orders over $49, there's free shipping. So do your boy a favor. If you're a male, go ahead, get you some men's product, hair product, beard oil, whatever. And it's not just for African Americans, it's for all races, by the way. So yeah, and also if you're a woman watching this channel, that's a great gift for your man, your friend, brother, dad, whatever. Great gifts. So browse the channel, you'll love it. I love their products. I use it every day, and I wouldn't be telling you that, guys, if I didn't. Even though I am in a partnership with Richuals by Rick Ross. But great product, 5 stars. Go check out the website yourself. With that being said, thank you guys for tuning in to Richuals. I got some more videos coming up. Thank you guys for your support. Like I said, new Facebook channel. New Facebook channel for Black Eagle here. So that is M2 Black Eagle on Facebook, right here on IG at M2_Black Eagle. We just got over 1,000 followers. Thank you. Give this video a thumbs up. If you're on Facebook, hit that like button because we need to get to 10,000 likes. So do that for your boy. With that being said, all products in the garage are in the link in the description below. You can get your M flags. You can get BMW car parts. Hit that link in the description below. I got you guys. With that being said, thank you for tuning in to Richuals. I appreciate all of you. Stay safe, stay blessed. Put on a damn mask. Oh yeah, one other thing for my car enthusiasts. I know you guys want the cold start. Oh, you want the cold start. So, because y'all so loyal and you love the Black Eagle, I'm gonna give you the cold start. And we out. Peace.